So we're tired of carrying our Blue Boy in the back of the truck every time we go camping. We have to carry coolers, dogs, everything else. And the only other solution is to put it inside the camper, and we're not going to do that. If you can see on the back of our camper, we do not have a ladder. So our other option was we picked up this RV bumper mount tote tank carrier off Amazon.
Say that 3 times.
And since we don't have the Rhino, it's compatible with most portable waste holding tanks on the market. So hopefully that includes us. So we've already got one bracket mounted. So we're gonna be working on the other side. So it comes with 2 brackets that fit over your bumper. I've already put this one, kind of pre-assembled it. So we're gonna get this other arm installed right now. So all you're gonna need is a 13mm deep well socket and somebody to help hold it. But this bracket, it just goes straight up underneath the bumper, just like so. And the little rail slides in. And we're just gonna tighten up the nuts. And there it is, easy peasy. So now we are going to put our poop tank up there, get everything strapped down and see how it does. So they do send you 2 straps with it. They are, in my opinion, a little less to be desired. So we plan on upgrading these to some better ratchet straps later in the future. But for now, they're gonna do just fine. Okay, now that we got everything installed, adjusted, and tightened up, I do believe that this is gonna be the solution to our problem. We'll see you next time.